can't speak. Go silence who? Silence what?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elena's here, and today I'm going to be making a quick video on what you need for a successful slayed, laid, schmade, not crazed install. I've been in this hair team for some time, and I want to just give you some key essentials if you're just now starting your hair, or maybe something that you haven't been implementing into your install, so you can get it looking like that. Let's just get into the video. But first, if you're not subscribed, what's going on? Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. So the first thing you need is a wig cap. I can't show you a wig cap, but you need a wig cap, and you need to tint the wig cap to the shade of your skin. I believe if you can wear the cream one and you just tint it to your skin, it'll take, That's essential because you just don't want your regular braids to be showing through your wig. Next, you need your Got To Be Free spray. This stuff is holy grail. I know people use the Ebon spray, but me personally, I just use Got To Be because sis has never led me astray. And when you start sweating a little, Got To Be isn't gonna hold you down. Right now I have it just Got To Be. I didn't put in my Ghost Bond. Sorry, not Ghost Bond. I don't really like Ghost Bond. Something about Ghost Bond don't sit right with my soul. Comes off if you are wearing a spray or something. But I use boho stick buyer. Boho works really well. And this is the extreme cream. Another helpful tip when you're applying glue is to let it cure for an amount of time. It needs time to really settle and have its magical chemicals work, I guess. I don't know, but yeah. Next, you need an edge brush. This is pretty explanatory. Everybody got one of these to lay your edges down. Also, you need to have a comb. Let me show you why. This helps the lace melt. If you just take your comb once you spray your Got To Be or your glue is in, and then if you have the blow dryer in hand and you're blow drying it while doing this, sweetie, it will lay down for you. It will melt into your skin. It will become scalp. It will become one, okay? No, I stand by that one. But your unit is not gonna lay flat unless you use one of these. No, it can lay flat, but it's just not gonna get it like this. It's not gonna get it like this. So this, you get these from hair companies. You can get this from the store. You can, it's a silk scarf, right? No, we're not doing that anymore. You need an elastic band because, y'all, the elastic band, you can make it tight with the Velcro. You can put it all the way, and that thing be, yes, it's tight. It be sucking in your thoughts. Your thoughts be thinking. It just really just presses that lace into your scalp. I'm not playing, y'all. That's why you need one of these. This one is from my brand. If you want one, you need one though. I'm telling you, it's gonna make a difference. You'll see the difference in your units. I definitely did when I started using elastic band. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. It's a game changer, and they're reusable. Velcro, easy to put on, easy to take off. Just put it on like this, boom, install. I look like a hippie. Moving on to styling, you need a hair lotion, as in hair foaming lotion, to put on your edges, these right here. And if you have deep wave hair or curly hair, you can use this to define those curls. So I use Nairobi. I stand by argan oil. I just ran out of it, and I'm gonna use this up before I buy a new one because everything going up, Also for styling, of course, you need your paddle brush. That's a no-brainer. Clips for styling. You also need this. If you don't do anything else, please, to get it laid, the hot comb lays down. I'm just give you a visual representation of what the hot comb does, because if you feel like your wigs are standing like this and they're not flat, or it looks like you're wearing a helmet, just take your hot comb, just go over it, press it, use a wax stick to put on it, just go through it like this, press it, and you will be shocked by the results. I'm telling you, This is necessary when you're installing your wig. This is for when I'm styling my hair or wanting it to hold like these curls, which I did messy curls today, so they're not really curl, you know what I'm saying? So that's also what I use. I can't leave the serums out, so I use this argan oil from Morocco anti-humidity gloss and shine mist. This works wonders for my hair. I'm telling you, it works wonders. It smells amazing too. Over time, you know, it just protects the longevity of the hair, as well as the Garnier Fructis and Shine Slick and Shine. Shout out to Miss Sophiology. Of course, we all were put on by her for, you know, Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine anti-frizz serum. So I use both of these, but I don't use too much. I just use like a little bitty lime-sized amount. That is all for the essentials that you need to lay your wig, to install it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the description box. If I forgot anything, please leave it down below in the description box. And if you watch to the end, please drop some purple hearts, because we're trying to go up, you know what I'm saying? If you like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Let me know if you like these type of videos, what other type of videos you would like to see, and I'll see you in the next one.